Hi, my name's Justine Thomas and I'm one of the SimRush co-founders.
And I'm Pete Freeman, again one of the SimRush co-founders.
So today, Pete, we're going to talk about the SimRush 5G. So first things first, tell us what's in the box.
Right, well we've got the 5G outdoor unit. This is the 5G version of SimRush ODU. This has got 4G built in as well with a very high grade modem. So it's 5G but it's got 4G backup too. That also has a gland. This is for the Ethernet cable when it goes into it, makes it watertight sealed, so we get a full IP67 rating. There's then a nuts and bolts pack to mount with the bracket. The bracket can either be wall mounted, just using the 4 points and the base there, or pole mounted, sliding this through to a pole so we can mount it high up on the building if that's what's required. So we'll take you through assembling that later. Then internally we've got the SimRush controller. So this is a SimRush Pro with Wi-Fi, so the Wi-Fi across the top here. There's also a Pro version without the Wi-Fi depending on your needs. Both devices act as wireless controllers for SimRush access points. Then finally there's the power supply. The power supply is a 48 volt power supply which fits into the controller, and Ethernet cable connects to the outdoor unit. So the outdoor unit is powered by the indoor controller, the same as all of the SimRush devices.
And does it need a particular type of cable?
It needs
to connect the two devices?
A minimum of category 5 external grade, because this is going outdoors to be used. Cat 6 is absolutely fine. It's not necessary, but Cat 5 is enough. But external grade it must be.